what's the role of a redirect URI in the Microsoft Identity Platform? So when you have an application that signs users interactively, in modern auth, so if you use Azure Active Directory, if you use the Microsoft Identity Platform, you will delegate sign-in to Azure Active Directory. Here is how that happens. You have, let's take for example, the example of a web app. The web app sign in the users, and then it says, okay, Azure Active Directory, here is I would like you to sign in the user, and then give me back a security token proving the identity of the user and maybe enabling me to call a web API. And what happens is Azure Active Directory will let the user enter their credential. It might let them do multiple factor authentication. Maybe they won't even need a password, Windows Hello or things like that. It will also make the end user consent for the application to call web APIs on their behalf. And then when it's done, it will send back the token. But where? To a specific URL, which is the redirect URI in the case of this web app. Now, that was for a web app. If we take a desktop app, this is the same mechanism, and desktop app can also use an external browser, but they can, most of the time, embed a browser, and in that case, the redirect URI doesn't matter that much because the browser is embedded in the app, and the app will get the token. It will grab the token when it receives the answer. And then there are flows which are silent, which don't require user interaction, and they don't even need a redirect URI.